What's going on, guys? We are up here at Fort Lee, raw stock. I am having a little R's chassis meeting and a right-hand drive meet here. Hopefully this parking lot fills up within the next half hour. Yeah, I figure a couple of weeks ago was like R32 day, 33 day, and all of that such. Would have been nice to do it then, but you know, weather, snow, that never seems to want to work out with us up here on the Northeast anyways. Once the cars start showing up, I'll get back to video. From your dad to drive this thing?
This is the first time I've ever driven this thing, and my dad was feeling super duper generous. But nice to see you, Chinzo.
Nice to see you, Carl.
You're on mine too.
Hey!
Shout out to ChinzoPhoto. Check out his YouTube and his Instagram. Thank you for hosting this thing here.
Shout out to Be on Speed Stars. Oh! This thing's pretty cool.
How you getting? Oh, you hit the party. Can you show us the party? One simple thing that I love about this, aside from the fact that you can haul, is
Look at this.
Oh, for the family.
Got rear seated.
Here we go. I didn't know. Hi, Dad.
Okay, my son.
So we moved the meet over to Mitsuwa to get some food and desserts. If you haven't been to Mitsuwa and you're in New Jersey, you should definitely check it out. It's a Japanese supermarket. They got a bunch of like awesome Japanese crap in here. Yeah, you should definitely check it out if you're in the area. that's going to be it for this video. I'd like to thank everyone that came out to the meet. It was definitely a nice chill time, and I hope we could do it again fairly soon. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.